So we're heading back to Maxie department store again, but this time we're going to check out what they have for the Christmas. So we're going to check out their decorations, we're going to check out their Christmas tree and just other accessories. So let's see what they have. I hope you enjoy this video. If you're new here, I am Renee and I share home decor and DIY each week. So let's see what Maxie's has for the Christmas, and stay tuned to the end as I'm going to show you some items they have on special that I hear about as well. So if you watch my last visit to Maxie, you will notice that the display is not the same. Right at the front they have some Christmas tree. Here they have different size Christmas tree, like this one here is 29,900. But they have smaller size as well and just a little bit bigger. So if you're looking for large size, they don't have much of that here. So these are for small space. They have these type of decor. These are a bit unusual based on what I noticed in other places. So you can come on over and get these. They have some basket and they have the trees as well are partially decorated. So they have some stuff on there. If you're looking for vase, there are some that you can come on over and grab. They have different color, different style and different texture vase. You might notice these 15% off tag. I came on Black Friday weekend, so these might not be available. This little lantern, it is so beautiful. I will be doing a haul where you see most of the stuff that I purchased of the places that I visit. And this one was $1,800. They had those three as well, and these star topper for your Christmas tree. They have them in gold and silver. They have them in different sizes. So come on over and you can get tree topper if you're looking for tree topper. They had some, they didn't really have much accessories like ornaments and so, but what they have, they were nice and different. But the prices are much, what should I say, the prices are a bit more expensive than most of the other places that we visited, but the looks and the quality are really good. So you're paying for quality here. This is a section where they have some items on sale. These are some vases that I took out to purchase. They're like $900 plus tax on the sale. They had those glass tray as well that you can use on your entrance table, your dresser. I really have to grab some of them. So you can look out for the haul to see how those look. If you're looking for like the candle holders or candle stand or decorative accessories and decor, they have those, so you can get them. If you're looking for wreath, as I mentioned, they don't have a lot of decoration, but what they have, they look good. Like this set of ball was $3,100. This little vase, it's nice, it's $8,100 as well. So if you are looking for some unusual stuff and it works in your decor, you can get them here at Maxie department store in Spring Plaza, Kingston, Jamaica. It's on Constant Spring Road. They had these type of decorative accessories as well, and these tray, the looks of it, when you feel it, they were heavy. So if you're looking for tray for your dresser or your console table, you can come on and get those tray as well. They had these tree that you can light up or plug in. So these are decorative Christmas tree. These are great to accent the home, and these stars as well. These are great to display on different areas in the home just to get that Christmas vibe. If you're in search for vase, as I mentioned, they have a lot of vase here. They have clear vase, they have some green vase, so they have different colors vase that you can work with. And if you don't see any color, you can work with the clear one and put in the color inside of them based on what you're using, if it's floral or so on. So they have different size vase, different design, and the prices for some of them weren't bad, and it depends on what you are looking for. So you can come on over and get your vase here. These are some other smaller Christmas tree decor that I noticed. They were like 2,000 something. Remember, depending on when you come on over to do the shopping, some of them might finish, but so you can head on over and get these stuff as well here. So these are a few stuff that I pick up. You won't see everything here. I want you to check out the haul. I will share with you in that video everything that I collected or purchased in all the stores that I've visited. So everything that I purchased from Azan, Fontana, Maxie, Supervalue. If you haven't seen those videos, guys, please click the link in the description. Most of those will be posted. I hope you enjoy the shop with me video, and thank you again for continue supporting my channel. Without you, all this wouldn't be possible. Please remember to share it out so others can get a taste of what I show you guys every week. I love you all. Please click the link in the description if you want to see the other places that I've visited. Thank you again for watching. You may click this link up here if you want to see real Christmas trees in Kingston, Jamaica. See you on the next video.